Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am turning myself into Pikachu. I have my foundation on already, tiny bit of highlight and a little contour, and that's about it. I am going to do the rest of this look on camera. I am going to have my hair probably clipped back so that it stays out of the way. That way we don't have all this wig hair in our way. Okay, I know I look dead. I'm aware. But I'm not going to look dead for much longer, hopefully, once I start getting all this actually on my face. So the first step of this is going to be putting on yellow eyeshadow pretty much all over my lid. So we're going in with the Chloe and Kylie collab. I love the yellow in this. So I'm covering my whole lid with this. I'm gonna kind of bring it out, I feel like will be cute, kind of onto the side here. Oh my god. So that's the yellow so far. I am gonna go into the neon palette as well and add some of the super intense yellow to it and see what happens. That is beautiful and super yellow. We're just kind of covering everything again, because why not? Okay, so that is the yellow. I am going to put it under too, a little bit. We are gonna do some heavy duty. Well, let's do my eyebrows first actually. I'm going to make them black, so they're gonna be really intense. So just be ready. Okay, I'm trying to make a lightning bolt. So now I'm going to go in with my actual eyebrow pencil. Not pencil, my makeup brush. Kind of define this a little bit. Throw your cranes up. Oh, lightning bolt eyebrow. Let's see if we can do it on the other side though. I look so insane. Black eyebrows. Wow, okay. I might have to sharpen this. We will see how far we get. Okay, we got a sharpener. There we go. Okay. Now that my eyebrows are longer than ever, like super lightning bolt status, we are going to put on some liquid eyeliner. Alright, we have my wings on. Next, I'm going to put white on the inner line of my eye. Super white. Okay, I'm gonna put on mascara for the eyelashes. Alright, and then while that is drying, we will do the lips, and I'm going to do little heart cheeks, I think. So we have this lovely Unicorn Blood Jeffree Star lip liner. I am going to use that here. Alright, and I'm going to fill them in with a liquid lipstick, but I'm going to do my lips too as well. 1 second. We're going to have lips again. Hold on. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to be putting this on my lips and my cheeks. And it's Redrum. So first,
Though creams are
We're gonna do lips. I'm going to shape them real quick. Alright. Lips are done. I'm going to fill in these heart cheeks. Oh, I got one heart on. Oh, one cute little red cheek on. Oh, so cute. And last, ouch, but not least, eyelashes. So that, you know, I can look a little more dramatic. Do I remind you of Pikachu? With my lightning bolt eyebrows? So I put my eyelashes on with my fingers. I know it's weird. It's gonna be hard to try to do. Alright, we've got one eye on. We have the other. Got them on. Okay. While they're drying, I'm gonna unclip my hair, my Pikachu yellow hair. And then this is the final Pikachu look. I know I probably look a little crazy, but I think it looks really cute actually with these little lightning bolt eyebrows. I feel cute. Alright, so this is my version of Pikachu. I've got my little ears and my yellow hair and this crazy makeup. Hope you guys like this look. It was super fun to create. I had so much fun doing this. If you guys want to see me do like more transformations, more like kind of crazier makeup like this, just let me know. I really like doing it. I just haven't in a really long time and I actually miss doing it. So if y'all want to see more of this, just let me know and I will get to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. Comment below what your favorite Pokemon is. My favorite Pokemon is actually Vaporeon, but I love Pikachu too, but Vaporeon is my ultimate favorite Pokemon. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!